So here we have it. We have 3 beautiful children whose life was taken heinously, violently, and absolutely horrifically by this evil looking piece of shit who practice a faith of Islam with an extreme ideology. This and this told lies, blatant lies. They need to be held accountable. Him and many other people like him have suffered horrendously due to him and him. It's got to be addressed. It's very awkward to speak about because he has tried his hardest to shut us all up about it. But now the plea of this has been entered. It gives us freedom of speech to start speaking about it. We should always consider these 3 angels and the other children that was around them, that was attacked on this day, alongside the adults who were heroic in that situation under them pressures and them images of pure evil. Riots unfolded up and down the country. Some say they shouldn't have, some say rightly so. It's now important moving forward that we think about the families of Southport, the victims, the survivors. We think about the unity within Southport going forward. It's probably going to be harder to establish right now with what's going on in the other direction with regards to the Islamic community and the grooming gangs of Pakistani origin. It's important us as men of Christ, men who believe in God, to start stepping forward, being counted in the fight for what's right here. I'm not going to go down the religious route. I'm telling you how it is. As a man, our main purpose on this earth as God's children is to protect the future generations of God's children. This is the mentality we need to work with going forward. There is loads of different types of religions in this country. There is all different types of beliefs within them religions in this country, depending on cultures and whereabouts in the world you come from, depending how you practice these beliefs. This is a Christian country first and foremost. We need to honour the image of Mary and everyone who holds that image, which is every woman that you see with your eyes. Every young child that is being abused up and down this country, murdered, harmed, physically, psychologically, grow up to be women, the image of Mary. This needs to hang. This and this need to be in prison for the complete lies and dishonest accusations against homegrown English and British born people, which resulted in a lot of harm and disruption to our communities. In the face of diversity, these have been trying to brush horrendous crimes under the carpets for decades. There's been loads of incidents along the way that these lot have been covering up in the name of diversity. Diversity only works when the people you're trying to integrate within the communities that are already established are willing to. Protect the women, protect the children going forward.